Hello everyone, welcome to Academic Dreams Channel. As you know, Academic Dreams Channel is a classroom for B.Ed classes. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic of method of teaching social science, that is, the topic is justify the importance of social science in secondary level curriculum. The topic is taken in the form of question because this question is often asked in different universities for 8 marks, for 10 marks and sometimes for 5 marks. So dear trainees of different universities and different colleges, you reminded under B.Ed method of teaching social science is one of the very important subject in which the question like justify, you should justify the importance of social science in secondary level curriculum. So justify the importance of social science, it means very simply the need and importance of social science. In which level? In secondary level curriculum. So in secondary level, why secondary level curriculum, why social science should be one of the important subject. And as you know, social science is actually one of the important subject which is known as the part of core curriculum, CORE, core curriculum. That means we should not avoid this curriculum from, avoid this subject from secondary level. So why it is included in the curriculum of secondary level, I mean to say why social science is included in the curriculum of secondary level, why we should not avoid it, we must justify it. Why? How we can justify? Pointing its important. So in favor of the question, justify the importance of social science in secondary level curriculum, I have pointed at least 10 points here. Just one by one we will discuss within few words, and it will be your duty to enlarge these points by 2 or 3 lines. Then it will be very good notes for 10 marks or 8 marks. So first of all, number 1, why the social science is included in the secondary level curriculum or is important. Number 1 is social science follows adult approach. Adult, it is not child-centered approach. While child-centered approach, it is called social studies. But social science is adult approach because in secondary level, children, I mean to say students, are in adolescence period and they are just forwards to adult level. So in secondary level, we must include social science to provide knowledge of all the branches of social science to those children who are going to adult level and at present they are in adolescence period. So to enlarge their knowledge, we must include this subject in secondary level. Number 2, social science emphasis on knowledge. As we know, social science includes history, economics, civics and so on, geography. So definitely social science emphasis on development of knowledge of children of different areas related to our society. Number 3, it finds new truth in society. So what is new truth? Different aspects of culture, different aspects of civics, I mean to political field, different aspects of economics which are refined, which takes new way, new means for upliftment, development, and to make ourselves well adjusted in the present society, we must go for social science. So why not this should be included in secondary level curriculum? Next, number 4, acquainted with current affairs. Social science acquainted children with current affairs. Current affairs means current knowledge, up-to-date knowledge. So, social science includes the subjects like history, political science, economics, geography. So, as we know, without history, without political science or civics, without the knowledge of economics, the concept of current affairs is meaningless. So that is why to acquaint children with current affairs, we should include this subject in school curriculum. I mean to say in secondary level curriculum. Number 5, scientific study on man. So scientific study on man is very important concept in social science. So man's power, use of power, misuse of power, that all included in social science. I mean to say in social science in the part of history. In the same way, human relation, humanity, human value, all these are also included in the study of political science, economics, civics. So, scientific study on men's behavior also included in social science. So why it should not be included in the curriculum of secondary level? Number 6, prepares good citizen. So success of democracy depends on good citizen. At present, we are the follower of democratic principle, democratic philosophy. We must prepare good citizen, and to prepare good citizen, we must include social science as one of the important subjects in secondary level curriculum. Number 7, develops human values. So what are the human values? Humanity, morality, all these are closely related. We are the citizen of the world. We must give importance on international understanding. All these are included in human values, and these human values can be developed through social science because it includes the concept like history, the concept of political science, the concept of economics, the concept of geography. Number 8, satisfy psychological needs. All the individuals have psychological needs. That means to satisfy our own mind. So how we can satisfy? We can satisfy ourselves by acquiring knowledge of all the branches of our society. So how we can avoid social science to satisfy our psychological needs? Number 9, develops analyzing capacity. So analyzing capacity is very important part of our personality, very important part of our knowledge, very important part of our understanding. So analyzing capacity of individual can be developed through knowledge of different branches. And social science is such type of subject which include a number of branches of studies like history, political science, economics, geography and so on. So that is why if our children of secondary level learn social science, they develop the capacity of analyzing. And finally, number 10, prepares realistic individual. We must be real in this world. Our attitude should be real. We must know how to live in this realistic world, how to think in realistic way, how to understand in realistic way. So to prepare realistic individual, to prepare all the students of secondary level a realistic man in future, we must acquaint them with the knowledge of history, civics, economics, geography, and all other social branches of social science. So that is why social science in secondary level, as it mostly includes the concept of political science, history, economics, and geography, it is the combination of basically the four subjects. We cannot think of the curriculum of secondary level without social science. So in this way, by using all these 10 points, we can justify, yes, in secondary level, we must include social science as one of the core subjects. Dear trainees, I think so you have understood better today. We'll learn more topics in next video, in next class.